It's January
2026.
Let's make a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it today?
Great job!
Today is Wednesday, January 21st,
2026.
Fill in the missing day and date.
Wednesday 21st.
Great job!
Mark any special days this month. Choose a picture for your calendar.